Hey guys, I'm Ariel and welcome to our channel, The Tysons. We'd love if you would subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you can keep up with our videos. But today I'm going to share something that a lot of people have asked me about how to use the ring sling, how to get it on you correctly and how to get baby in. It's really an easy, awesome tool to use once you figure it out. And so I think it's really important to be able to see it for yourself, and I kind of wish that I could reach across the camera and be able to actually show you and get a feel for it on you, but at least this will be something. So the ring slings come like this. This is like the full length of it here, and they have two rings. So what you're gonna do the very first time you put it on, now you don't have to do this every time, this is just the first time that you put it on, you're going to keep it on your shoulder like this. Make sure it's spread out, make sure it's covering your shoulder well. You don't want it hanging down here because it's not safe for you or baby, so you want it up here. Alright, and so you're going to do this, and then you're going to bring this long piece around and you're going to stick it through both rings. Alright, and so remember, you don't have to do this every single time. That's what I love about a ring sling, is it's very easy to go in and out of stores or the car, anything you need to do like that. But the first time you want to make sure both seams are on each side, like the top and the bottom here. So you want to spread this out, then you're going to stick it through just the bottom ring, and you can wear your ring sling on either side. For some reason I prefer my left side. I think it's because I have a lot of shoulder tension in my right, but that's how I do it. So you're going to pull it through, and you want to again make sure it's spread out here and make sure you have different seams here. Alright, now this is obviously very loose right now, so I kind of keep pulling it through. You always want it tighter than you think, so even with a bigger baby they fit tighter. Alright, so I'm going to pull this through here. Alright, keep going. And then one of the things you're going to want to do is you want to always make sure this is up higher for when you put the baby in, but to make sure that you have a good seat, you want their seat hanging lower than their knees. And so the way you're going to do that is you're going to stick your elbow in here, so you make sure you have a good seat, and then I tighten up the bottom. So you're going to pull this bottom seam and you're going to pull it slightly across, not straight down, kind of like this, and then you'll get that part tightened up, but then they have a good seat for them. And then you can do the top as well, or sometimes I'll just do the top once I get the baby in. But that's the most important thing that I've learned about ring slings, that no one had told me before. And I was struggling because they were always falling out the bottom or not tight enough around the top. And the reason is you have to pull each part of the sling separately. If you just take this and go like this, it's not going to pull the parts how it should be. So if you want to pull this top part tighter, you just pull here. If you want the middle a little tighter, you're going to take the middle here and just do that. And you want to put it across to where it came from. So as you can see, this right here came from here, so you're going to pull it across that way. The bottom came from down here, so you're going to kind of pull it across that way. So that's one of the big things. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the baby and show you how to get him positioned in here. Alright, so I got this little guy. We'll see how he does, because I just woke him up from a nap. But anyways, all we're going to do, this is all that you're going to need to do on a typical outing, okay? Because I usually just have it all set up, and I just keep him hung up this way. Alright, so we're going to put him in. He has my hair right now. And you're just going to want to get your baby rested with their bottom into that spot that you made as the seat. So you want to get him down there. If you need to do this a little bit, you can, just to get him to be comfortable in that seat, because, excuse me, otherwise they're going to move their legs and get right out. So then I'll take this top seam, tighten up the top again toward this part just to get it a little tighter, and then I'll take the bottom seam, oh, it's up here, and you're gonna pull that a little tighter as well. So then you get them like that. So that's it. It's really easy. It's really comfortable. He loves it. He relaxes in it. It's easy for me as well. So anyways, thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.